Can you give me 3 predictions for the next 5 years?
Well, let me just say this. If my predictions were absolutely accurate, I'd be rich. I wouldn't be here talking to you. I'd be in Switzerland in a castle. So. Well, I think prediction number one is that the media landscape is going to become increasingly fractionalized. I think that, television is going to, again, we call it television, but I think it's going to be very, very different things. And I think that, we're going to have to figure out, from an advertising marketing standpoint, how to use a medium that's going to become smaller in the sense of, in terms of its absolute delivery. In aggregate, it's going to continue to grow. In fact, people are using more TV and will continue to use more TV. It stuns me how they are multitasking. But I think the fractionalization is going to be very, very challenging. That's my first prediction. Second prediction is that I would say within 5 years, an awful lot of people are going to start getting television from the internet directly into the TV with the kind of quality that makes it indistinguishable from, current television. And I think when that happens, it's going to be a huge game changer. I don't know how it's going to play out, but I think, clearly when you can go from a few hundred channels to an infinite number of channels, it just has all kinds of possibilities, good and bad. And I think the third thing that's going to happen is that the pay model is going to increase in its impact. And I think the sponsored, advertiser-supported model is going to decrease. Neither of them is going to just sort of totally supplant the other. But I think that consumers are going to be offered a variety of different ways of paying for content. And I think we're going to have to figure out exactly how they respond to that. But I don't believe that the advertiser-supported model is going to remain as large in terms of the overall use of the medium today, in 5 years as it is today.
What are you working on right now?
Well, most of what I spend my time on is more of the strategic sort of questions. It's sort of how will people, consume media? How do we, meet their expectations and interests across these various platforms? How do we monetize these different platforms? The thing about the internet is I think it's the greatest thing that ever happened to the consumer and the worst thing that ever happened to the media industry in many ways. But, there's no crying over technology, spilt milk, whatever. You got to just sort of figure it out and move on. So that's how I spend a lot of my time. There's always the tactical day-to-day issues, about the various businesses, and we have so many businesses now. So I have a great team of people who, spend day-to-day on whether it's the NBC TV network or whether it's Bravo or whether it's MSNBC or whatever it might be. And, so I'm obviously involved in a lot of what they do, but most of my personal time is spent looking at these sort of larger issues because they're the most interesting, obviously, but they're also the most serious because shows come, shows go, but figuring out, what's the future of a news channel on cable, or how are we going to move people back and forth from the internet to mobile to the big screen? Those are things that just fundamentally affect the nature of this business, and nobody knows the answers. All the rules we had are being rewritten, and that makes it exciting. The day goes fast, but it also makes it really, really challenging because there's no obvious answer to any of these things.